Hi guys, Nicole from Xordinaire, and today I'm bringing you a little tutorial for the makeup look we did for the underwater challenge. Because as you know guys, usually we do a styling, makeup and photography part, and now if you're interested in any of those aspects, we're gonna bring you a little tutorial so that if you're focused on only one of those aspects, you can learn more. So today we're gonna meet Fatim again, and she's gonna explain more about how to prepare the skin, how to make you look beautiful, lash, and how to do the makeup. Guys, we have our makeup artist here already. Hi!
Hi! How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good.
So for those who don't remember Fatim, I would like you to introduce yourself once more.
Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Fatin Nazira and I also known as Karya by Fatin on Instagram. I've been doing makeup for 5 years now. And today's look gonna be semi-bold.
So what are you planning for? Are you like lipstick,
Yeah,
eyeliner?
I'm planning to do like a bold red lipstick, but keep it simple for the eyes, so the outfit will be more outstanding. So yeah.
Well, I think let's go and start with the process.
Okay, sure.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
Yes, this is my
Wow.
setup.
Looks great. So, do you want to meet the model?
Yeah.
Okay.
So excited.
Anita?
Hi! Hello! Nice to meet you. You're beautiful.
Thank you so much. So guys, this is Anita. She's gonna be our model for today, but we'll introduce her a bit more later on. Now I think I should not be here any longer and I should leave your girls to do their magic.
Okay, are you ready? Yeah,
Okay.
let's have a sit first.
Thank you.
Okay. So before I start, can I know what skin type are you? Is it dry or oily?
Oh, it's more dry. Yeah.
dry. Yeah, I can see it's a little bit dry around here. Okay, so before I start, I'm gonna use face oil just to remove everything. So now I'm taking this Skin Fix Soothing Toner, and what I like to do is I like to pat on the skin using cotton pad. And so what I'm doing now is I'm just placing the pad so that the skin can be more smooth and easy to apply the makeup. So just wait for a few seconds and then we remove it. What I'm doing is I'm just sweep away the oil, and then after that we're gonna apply our skincare. Now we're gonna use this MAC Hyper Serumizer just to make sure that the skin is hydrated. Just gonna put all over her face and massage a little bit. Just like so. Some of my clients ask me why I do this. This is actually for improving the blood circulation so that your face look awake instead of just like look tired. So this is actually very important step. You don't want to miss it. Even if you apply your own skincare, you have to massage. So this is one of my favorite moisturizer, and this is also from MAC. This is Hyperreal Skin Canvas Balm. And the same place, we're gonna put all over the entire face. Next, we're gonna take Weleda Skin Food, and this is also a moisturizer. But this one, I just take and put at the highest point of her face, such as this cheekbones, also the bridge of the nose, and a little bit on the forehead, cupid's bow, and also the chin. Look up for me. So this one, I'm just gonna use the same product, the Weleda, then just put under the eyes just to hydrate the skin, because we don't want any creasing on this area. So for the next step is I'm going to use this MAC Studio Radiance foundation by MAC. I'm gonna pick 3 shades to check on her skin color. So this one is NC10 and this one is NC17. This one is by Pat McGrath. I'm gonna take my foundation brush So we're going to check the foundation. And I think this one is perfect match. So we're gonna let the foundation sit for a while and we're gonna do the eye makeup. Now I'm using this eyeshadow by MAC. This color right here. This is like a neutral brown color. We're gonna place it all over the eyelid using a blending brush. I love this brush so much. Open your eyes. Can you look at the camera? So this is how it looks. So next I'm going to use Bobbi Brown. This is eyeshadow stick and I'm just placing this at the half of the corner of the eye. Then we're going to blend with our finger and we're going to put a shimmer eyeshadow at the center. So we're going to use the same color and just do at this area and keep blending. Now I'm taking my dark brown eyeliner and this is my favorite eyeliner. It's from Sephora. Look close up. Okay. We're gonna place it close to the lashes. It's okay if it's messy. And we're just gonna use this little sponge right here. And we're just gonna smudge it out. So I'm taking my lash curler. I'm taking Maybelline mascara. And just try to get close to the root and jiggle it like this and let it go. Jiggle and go. So this one is Benign Neutral Set Powder and I'm gonna set Anita's face using a clean brush. I'm gonna use this one. Look up for me. Place it right under the eye area just to set the concealer and lock the eyeshadow. And then I usually place it here as well because we don't want any shine here, but keep it this one radiant. So this is Fenty highlighter and I love this one because it has like a silvery glitter in it. So you can see that Anita's face is glowing. I'm gonna do real quick, just place it at the highest point like we do with the Weleda and then avoid the area that we place the powder because we don't want any shine on that area. Since Anita has pretty eyebrow already, I'm just gonna use this brow setter by Benefit and just gonna set it upwards and outwards. So for the lips, I'm going to create a dark red lipstick and I'm going to use these two colors. This is red and this is black color. And I'm going to put like a little bit of the black and then more red. And we're going to mix it. For the last step, we're gonna spray you with some Fix Plus. This one will keep the skin hydrated and also glowing for the whole shoot.
Wow.
She's
So
beautiful, right?
Pretty.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So I can see that we played with some lipstick and eyeliner. Didn't forget about the eyeliner, huh?
Yeah, of course. It's my
Of course.
signature.
So guys, we cannot let Anita go home before she gives us a little introduction and we find out a little more stuff about her. So Annette, would you like to give us a brief introduction of who you are, where you're from, what's your age?
Yeah, sure. Hi, so my name is Aneta, I'm 21 and I'm from Prague, Czech Republic. And I'm model and I'm studying university also.
Okay, so what are you studying?
I'm studying media.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
So do you enjoy modeling?
I enjoy a lot. I mean, for sure, I enjoy modeling because I can travel and meet new people. So for me, it's so exciting.
Okay. And is there like anything you don't like about the industry?
Sometimes I miss my family because I am like from home like 3 months, 4 months. So sometimes I miss my family, but I mean, I love it. So
So which countries have you been to so far?
I've been in Bangkok and now I'm here in Malaysia.
Okay, and any plans for the future?
I have some plans, but let's see.
Okay, well, sounds great. And thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you too for invitation.
Yeah, and I wish you a very, very prosperous future and a lot
Thank
of
you so
modeling
much.
jobs.
Thank you.
So guys, if you love the look that Fatim created today, you can always go and visit more and see more at her own. You've got your own YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, actually, but I haven't started yet. But probably this will be the first one.
Okay, okay. Okay, so you can
Yeah.
visit her Instagram page and in the future, hopefully the YouTube channel
Yeah.
too. Yeah.
Hopefully. So don't forget to check my Instagram. It's Karya by Fatin, and I do bridal. So if you want to get married, just check up on me.
Okay guys, and this is the end of today's tutorial for the makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, also follow our own webpage, which is Instagram Xordinaire_official, or YouTube, which you're now on, or Facebook. So I hope to see you soon again. Bye!
Bye!